What if I told you that one of India's leading agrochemical companies is still unlisted, has a presence in 120 Jode countries, and has been serving farmers for over 60 years? Yes, we're talking about Indofil Industries Limited. In today's video, we'll understand what Indofil Industries does, its business model, strengths, future growth opportunities, and the risks investors should know. If you are interested in the unlisted share market, this is a company worth learning about. Let's get started. Indofil Industries Limited was established in 1962 and is a part of the KK Modi Group. Over the years, the company has built a strong reputation in the agrochemical industry. Its headquarters are in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the company manufactures products used in agriculture as well as specialty chemicals for industrial applications. Today, Indofil serves customers in India and exports its products to more than 120 countries, making it a globally recognized Indian chemical company. The company focuses on innovation, product quality, and long-term relationships with farmers and industrial customers. Indofil mainly operates in two business segments. The first is crop protection chemicals, which is the company's core business. It manufactures fungicides, herbicides, insecticides, plant growth regulators, biostimulants, and crop nutrition products that help farmers improve crop health and productivity. One of its best-known products is based on mancozeb, a fungicide widely used to protect crops from fungal diseases. The second segment is specialty and performance chemicals. These chemicals are supplied to industries such as paints, coatings, plastics, textiles, leather, and construction. Because of this diversified business model, the company is not dependent only on agriculture. Indofil has modern manufacturing facilities in Maharashtra and Gujarat. The company also invests significantly in research and development to improve existing products and develop new chemical formulations. Its products are exported across Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, and Latin America. Agriculture remains one of India's most important sectors. As food demand increases and farming becomes more technology-driven, the need for effective crop protection products is also expected to grow. Indofil has decades of experience, a trusted brand among farmers, and a broad distribution network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.